Everybody knows we have a housing affordability crisis right now. Housing affordability is a product of three factors. What is the average home price? What is our average household income? And then if we were to finance 80% of that home, what percent of our household income is being applied towards that loan payment for that house every month? Let's look at the picture between 2020 and 2024, and then talk about the three different ways that we can get back to 2020 housing affordability, which isn't realistic, but it's just a fun experiment, right? So in 2020, per census, the average household income was about $69,000. Average home price per National Association of Realtors was about $297,000. This is nationwide, by the way. And if we were to finance 80% of that purchase price at the average rate back then of 3.11%, then we would have a monthly payment that's about 18% of our household monthly income. Fast forward to 2024. Average home price per Mosho research, which basically census numbers are still coming out, but per Mosho research, 83,000 household income. We have a home price now of 427,000, and if we were to finance 80% of that purchase price at today's prevailing rates, or the average for 2024, it would be 6.95%. So you'd have a monthly payment in 2024 of about 33% of household income compared to 18% in 2020. So clearly less affordable. So what has to happen to go back to 2020 affordability? Well, incomes could go up 83%. If the average household income was 150,000 versus 83,000, then we would have the same relative affordability as 2020. We could also see a drop in home prices about 44%. Then you could produce a monthly payment that's 18% of today's household income if the prices were 240,000 and we were financing at 6.95%. Or we could drop the interest rate about 5 points, and if we were to get that purchase price of 427,000, 80% of that finance at today's income levels at a 2% rate, then that produces a monthly payment of about 18% of household income. Or we could do a combination of the three. Don't think, again, any of those are realistic, but that's what the picture looks like today compared to 2020.